Today we're gonna be ordering the cheapest barber kit money can buy. I have a budget of only $100. Yes, you heard that right. I only have one Benji to spend on an entire barber kit today. So without further ado, we're gonna be jumping straight into Amazon. Now the first thing we're gonna be looking up is our clipper, trimmer, and shaver, because without that, there's no way we could possibly cut or complete a full haircut. So let's look up barber clipper. All right, you guys, so I've been looking for clippers and I finally found this one on like the third page. It's a clipper and a trimmer with a bunch of guards and a little comb and everything, so that way we don't have to just waste money on a comb. It comes with all USB chargers for only $45.99. It has 385 reviews with about 4.5 stars, leaning towards like 5. So honestly, amazing deal. We're gonna be adding these, and let's move on to our shaver. Barber shaver. So guys, after searching, I finally got our shaver. It is a Braun Electric Razorman M60B mobile electric foil shaver, washable. That's freaking cool. Oh shoot, 4 stars and 6,129 ratings, which is crazy. Now the only thing about this shaver is that it is single foil and not double, so we're gonna be probably taking a little longer to shave down the stubble, but it doesn't matter. All right, now the next thing we need is a barber cape. So I found this $3.99 barber cape, and it looks pretty good to me. As long as it does the job, I don't mind, honestly. I just want to spend every single penny wisely. Let's look up barber brushes. So we found the Sculpt Master Barber Blade cleaning brush. These look like obviously barber brushes, so we're gonna add them in. A 2-count, 1,080 ratings for $3.95, which is not that bad. Almost 5 stars. Added to cart. The next thing we'll need is barber clips. So yeah, these are $4.99 for 12 clips. Like, that's pretty insane, honestly. For the amount of clips that you get for $4.99, we're adding those to cart right away. Guys, the goal is to get everything as high quality as possible. That way we don't have any issues along the way, and you could actually use these for a long period of time, not just one single haircut. Next is our razor holder. So barber razor holder. All right, so I found this black pedal handle barber. I'm not gonna read the whole title, but you get the concept. I found this razor holder, and it comes with blades. That's pretty sweet. We don't have to waste on blades, and the fact that it's $6.93 literally makes up for everything that we need. And it comes with a little pouch, I guess. That's what I'm assuming. All right, now the next thing we need, and you've gotta have this, don't go around it, Cool Care. We're gonna go for this small version of a Cool Care. It's $6.99, so we're gonna go for that. Let's add that into our cart and go on to the next product. We do need shears, so barber shears. All right, so I've found my shear, and to be honest, there's nothing really that special about it other than the name itself, Air 1. $4.99 for a shear, I really can't complain. I'm gonna add it to the cart. Now the next product that is a must is a water spray bottle. We need that to start a haircut. Oh, $3.99 for the Danny spray bottle assorted. I can't pick out a color, but I'm just gonna add it to the cart. Whatever color we get is the color we get. Add it to cart. Now the next and final thing we need is a fade comb. $1.99 for a fade comb, and surprisingly it is Babyliss. If you need a discount, go ahead and use Marty10 for any official Babyliss site, and you'll receive a 10% discount on anything you'd like, even on custom FXs. Now our total literally came out to $99.86. We managed to stay under our $100 budget, which means now it's time to unbox the products and test them out. Put me in a $100 bill like this. Edit me in. Hey girls. All right, so I'm gonna go over the accessories really quick. Wow, these are actually really good. Like, the hinge is strong. Okay, so that's good. 12 clips for like, I think it was like $4. I'm not too sure. All right, so next up is our Cool Care, and just like any other Cool Care, should spray. And yeah, there isn't much to this one other than I'm used to it seeing blue. Next is our Air 1. First up, I don't know what this is, but and you get a little microfiber towel for $5. What the freak? Honestly, I actually like this. For $5, they feel like my freaking shears. I would say this is a steal, but we're gonna put them up to the test still. Wow. Air 1. Just your normal barber brush right here. You're gonna need more than 2, but hey, we had a budget and we got 2. You could keep spraying Cool Care if you'd like in order to keep these clean throughout the day, but make sure you wash them at the end of the day since you only have 2. So now we've got our razor, and I think this was like $5 again. Like, I am not too sure how much we bought them for, but it was quite cheap. And the fact that it comes with a sleeve is pretty cool. Off the bat, I thought it was gonna be plastic. It's actually fully metal. So this already feels like a nice quality razor without razor blades, but hey, we can't complain. It feels pretty good in hand. It's just a regular barber comb or Babyliss one, so yeah. And if you're new to the industry, this is actually really convenient when it comes to clipper over comb. If you don't know what that is, you basically just comb through and clipper over comb so you don't get too much darkness off. That's what this does. Next, we have this Carling Hairdressing Grow Barber's Cape made in China. Does it smell like fish? That's a question, because my last one in the $150 barber kit smelled like fish.
Oh! Smells like fish.
It smells like fish again. Now, I think we paid $3 for this barber cape right here, and I'm not complaining because at the end of the day, it's still gonna serve its purpose. And when I put on my client, the hair's not gonna get on him. So that's the main reason we got this, and every barber needs one, obviously. I didn't have an option on what color I wanted. They kind of just like sent me a red one, which is pretty cool. It's a cool little spray bottle. Let's get on to our main machine. $60 for these 3 things right here. That's insane. So the cool thing about this is like a lot of double fold shavers, or a lot of shavers in general, they have like this cap that like could be removed by the top, but if we go ahead and twist this, it's just an easy quick and go. I think it's more towards like personal use, but we could use it towards anything, man. For $15, you get a washable blade. Like you can literally run this underwater. At the bottom of the shaver, you can literally pull up and you have this cleaning brush right here. Literally, oh. Now it holds it back in, check this out. Clips right on. If you wanna add the batteries or whatever, boom. All right, now that feels powerful. Maybe because it's plastic, but anyways, let's get on to our clipper and trimmer. Now finally, what a lot of you guys have probably been waiting for. You have your oil, your little brush to clean it off with, all of your guards for your clipper, guards for your trimmer, and then chargers for each one of them. We have our traditional wall comb right here. This could either be used as a regular comb or a clipper over comb. It feels nice in hand. It doesn't feel that cheap. Pretty lightweight, but so let's see how this runs. Now this sounds like a magic clip and the lever works great. For 40 bucks, are you serious? So let's turn on our trimmer. Y'all, for $40, this is a steal too. I have a good feeling about this video. This is all zero gap. This set right here is probably better than the $150 kit. I'm not kidding. I could already tell right off the bat this is gonna be well worth $100. Let's put it up to the test and see how it performs. Guys, before we move on to the actual haircut itself, today's sponsor for this video is Geology. Geology is by far the best personalized skincare system for anyone, whether you have sensitive skin, dry skin, or acne. Geology is your answer. See, the nice feature about Geology is that each and every product is specifically for your type of skin, meaning you'll have to go through a simple survey in order to find out which regimen is best for your skin type. They're also extremely transparent with the ingredients they use, because you don't just want to slap any piece of junk on your face. Inside each box, you'll get a step-by-step daily routine to follow in just a matter of seconds, because to be fair, we're all busy people and skincare should just be a breeze. Guys, listen, skincare is just as important as getting that clean, fresh fade. You've got to have good hygiene. Now, if you use the first link down in the description and fill out that survey, you'll automatically get 70% off your first trial kit. Wait, if you do purchase a Geology set, go ahead and screenshot the receipt and send it over to my Instagram in order to win a Babyliss Low Pro set. Come back into this video and comment done down below. I'll be picking the winners in 2 weeks, so you're welcome for amazing skin, and let's get on with the video. Alright y'all, so here's the before, and to be completely transparent, I'd say this kit is 100% worth every penny. It seriously blew my mind away when I put it to use, but let's review the products in detail. First off, don't forget to always disinfect before every cut. In this case, our Cool Care is well worth not spreading infections or diseases for only $6.99. This is obviously a 5-star and a must. Next, the cape served its purpose, blocked out the hair from getting into my client's clothes, but the only setback was the client did complain about it getting hot due to the breathability. I'd have to give this a 3-star, but for $3.99, it was well worth it. This comb right here was free with our clipper trimmer set, so keep that in mind. Now the water bottle stored a good 15 ounces of water, which is good enough for at least 10 heads or maybe even more. This was $3.99 and a 5-star for me. Guys, if you do enjoy these videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now onto our Croc Clips. These automatically pinch stronger than my daily clips, and the fact that the pack came with 12 automatically makes this a 5-star for $4.99. Okay, our trimmer had lights to show us battery life, and let me tell you, this was stronger than I thought it would actually be. I was absolutely amazed, and for it to be in a pack with our clipper for $45.99, I can't complain. It also debulked like a breeze, and I didn't hold back from cutting at the speed I usually do, and it did perform. This trimmer was outstanding and deserves a 5-star. One of the products I was most eager to use was this bronze single foil shaver. This company has one of the most expensive shavers on the market, and now comparing it to the cheapest, it's no doubt they concentrate on quality. Aside from it taking forever to shave due to the single foil, it was shaving down my client's thick hair like butter. For $14.99, this is a steal and an automatic 5-star. Our clipper had the exact battery percentage, which is a nice little detail, and the notches on our lever really help out, that way we don't get lost throughout the process of our haircut. It ran smoothly through coarse hair. The only problem is that the clipper didn't come with the half or the 1.5 guards, so I had to work around that. As you can see here, I was quite happy because it almost felt like the entire barber kit was worth $1,000, but nope, that was not the case. It was only worth a Benji, which I was completely satisfied with. Anyways, with the price of $45.99 with our trimmer included in this pack as well, this is an absolute game changer and well-deserved 5-star. Our Babyliss fade comb was sturdy through the clipper over comb and cheap for $1.99, so again, an automatic 5-star. As you guys can tell, I was using my brush throughout the cut, and what can I say? It brushed the hair off my client's face like noosing, eh? 5-star for a product around $3. The shears, or shall I say the air ones, were surprisingly decent, and for $4.99 they couldn't have cut better. A nice 5-star as well. Our razor holder, as you guys heard me earlier, was fully metal, so aside from the fact that it didn't come with blades and finessing me with a picture of blades on the product picture, 3-star for finessing me, but good quality product, overall well worth $6. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our final product for our $100 budget today. Although we didn't get everything, we got enough to complete a good haircut. This is the cheapest and best barber kit money can buy, so if you're looking to start or you don't want to break the bank, this is more than enough. Keep in mind, everything will be linked down below. Remember, it's all about the skill. Tools are just a slight help when it comes to the art. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace.